how to edit your site menu on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. As you can see right here, this is my site menu and I want to edit it. For example, I want to add more items right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go here and click on edit on your header and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find the site menu right here. It's the first one. Now click edit, and as you can see, now you can change everything right here. For example, you can change for example, if you want this one to be the first, like this, you can add a menu item from here. For example, choose email, document, lightbox, web address, PayPal donations. Choose any of these, click done. Now you can change the name of it, for example, contact us, and click add to menu, and it's now updated to my website. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.